Most of the AI tools you hear about, like ChatGPT or Google Gemini, are locked behind corporate walls. But what if there was a place where anyone could build and share AI models for free? That's Hugging Face. It's an open-source platform where developers post everything from chatbots to image generators, even audio and multimodal models. As of 2025, there are hundreds of thousands of them, all available for you to explore. And here's the twist. Unlike closed systems, Hugging Face lets you actually see the code. You can test it, remix it, or publish your own. That's why its community keeps growing every day. Recent upgrades make it even easier. Auto-train now fine-tunes models with just a few clicks. Multilingual models like Bloom's open access to dozens of languages. And built-in evaluation tools help check for bias and fairness before you deploy. At the core are Hugging Face's building blocks: the Model Hub, the Transformers Library, the Datasets collection, and Spaces, a playground where you can try AI demos right in your browser. And if you're curious what's leading the pack, the public leaderboard ranks the top-performing models in real time. But Hugging Face isn't just software, it's a movement. Thousands of developers collaborating, improving each other's work, and proving that the future of AI doesn't have to be hidden in black boxes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for more insights into the technologies shaping our world, keep learning with the Knowledge Academy, where learning becomes addictive.